BYD is shaking up the EV industry once again with its groundbreaking plug-in hybrid powertrain, setting new benchmarks in efficiency and performance with a completely reimagined engine and transmission. This innovation promises record-breaking features. Just a few months ago, BYD introduced its fifth-generation DM plug-in hybrid powertrain, a true game-changer in the world of electrified vehicles. Available in three distinct variants, the efficient DMI, the high-performance DMP, and the rugged off-road DMO, this powertrain redefines hybrid technology. Its staggering thermal efficiency of 46.06% is unmatched, and it boasts the world's lowest fuel consumption at just 2.9 liters per 100 kilometers with an astonishing driving range of 2,000 kilometers. This hybrid system is the result of years of development, meticulously designed alongside BYD's cutting-edge battery technology. The first lucky models to receive this innovation are the sleek BYD Chin LDMI and the sporty Seal 06 DMI. Before diving into these exciting new models, let's rewind and explore how BYD became a powerhouse in electric mobility. Founded in 1995 in Shenzhen, China, by Wang Chuanfu, BYD originally specialized in rechargeable batteries. However, in 2003, the company made a bold move into the automotive world, launching its first vehicle, the BYD F3, a compact sedan that quickly gained popularity for its affordability and fuel efficiency. Fast forward to today, and BYD's latest creations, the Chin LDMI and Seal 06 DMI, are making waves. The Chin LDMI is a stylish sedan that rivals the Toyota Camry. It comes with a 1.5-liter four-cylinder naturally aspirated engine paired with an electric motor available in either 120 kilowatt or 160 kilowatt configurations. Battery options range from 10.08 kilowatt-hours to 15.87 kilowatt-hours, delivering an electric-only range of 80 to 120 kilometers depending on the model. These powertrains aren't just concepts, they are already in full production, ready for customers eager to experience the next evolution of hybrid technology. BYD isn't just following trends, it's setting them. Are we witnessing the future of hybrid mobility? One thing's for sure, the competition is officially on notice. BYD pioneered plug-in technology in 2008 by launching its first hybrid car, but automakers have since released their own cars with ranges as high as 2,000 kilometers. For example, on May 24th, Li Auto introduced the L7, boasting a 254-kilometer range, fuel consumption of 3.8 liters per 100 kilometers, and an engine thermal efficiency of 41.8%. In March, J Auto also revealed a hybrid system offering a range of over 2,000 kilometers, fuel consumption as low as 2 liters per 100 kilometers, and thermal efficiency above 46%. Aside from local brands, BYD is also competing with Toyota and Honda. While Toyota and Honda's hybrid engines have a thermal efficiency of around 41%, BYD's fifth-generation DM engine stands out with a higher efficiency of 46.06%. The launch of BYD's latest electric vehicle model was initially met with widespread enthusiasm, marking another milestone for the Chinese automaker as it solidified its position on the global stage. Eager fans and environmentally conscious early adopters had placed their orders months in advance, willing to pay a premium to be among the first to own this cutting-edge technology. Their patience, however, was soon tested. After a prolonged and for some, frustrating wait for delivery, the company announced a significant and unexpected price reduction for the very same model. This sudden shift in pricing strategy proved to be a catalyst for significant customer backlash. The very individuals who had demonstrated their faith in the BYD brand, committing their finances and enduring a lengthy delay, now felt profoundly undervalued. They argued that their early adoption was a form of investment and loyalty that should have been rewarded, not penalized. This sense of betrayal quickly mobilized a group of frustrated buyers who organized protests at BYD showrooms and corporate offices. Armed with banners that voiced their discontent with slogans like, "Early supporters deserve better and loyalty should not cost more," they created a public relations challenge for the automaker. Their core grievance was clear. They believed the company had prioritized attracting new customers over honoring the commitment of its existing ones, making their early purchase feel like a financial misstep rather than a smart investment. Generally, independent mechanics are known for their more individualized care and cheaper rates, but they often have difficulty maintaining the equipment and diagnostic software required for extensive repairs. Self-employed mechanics frequently take great pride in their work and cultivate enduring bonds with their clients. However, these mechanics might be limited in the range of services they can offer if they do not have access to the relevant data and updates from manufacturers. The auto repair landscape is evolving and honestly, not necessarily for the better. In an attempt to reduce the impact on independent technicians, some automakers are providing repair information, diagnostic tools, and manuals to mechanics, though, often at a cost. This helps repair shops service electric vehicles, but it does limit free access. Electric vehicle companies also perform many repairs remotely through software updates, reducing the need for in-person service. To fill these gaps, some deploy mobile technicians. However, completely relying on remote fixes and mobile reps risks limiting independent shops' roles. As a result, some manufacturers are collaborating more closely with third parties through training tools and support. Customers are also worried that automakers may be economizing by sacrificing some features. This really calls for urgent attention because producing vehicles that are less dependable or have shorter lifespans could discourage customers from purchasing them in the future. This may start a cycle in which businesses cut costs without addressing the underlying problems with quality. People may start to feel less confident in purchasing electric vehicles if cost-cutting initiatives make automobiles less dependable, and this might slow down the transition toward more environmentally friendly transportation. In the contemporary automotive landscape, where customers continue to hold quality and long-term reliability very dearly in their choice of automobiles, navigating the high stakes of owning and maintaining electric vehicles becomes absolutely crucial for both consumers and manufacturers. This is not merely a matter of initial purchase satisfaction, but a complex calculation of total cost of ownership, which inherently includes the vehicle's eventual resale value. For many owners, the decision to invest in a new car is made with the future in mind, with the understanding that they will one day want to cash in on their automobile as a significant financial asset. However, a significant and pervasive barrier stands in the way of this expectation. The market for used cars is notoriously sensitive to perception, and if potential buyers are made to believe that electric cars are inherently less robust or more prone to costly failures over time, then the resale value of EVs may decrease dramatically. This perception could be fueled by anxieties surrounding the heart of the EV, its battery pack. Concerns about battery degradation, the natural loss of capacity and range over years of charging cycles can cast a long shadow over a vehicle's future usability. A prospective second-hand buyer, already cautious, might balk at the prospect of needing a multi-thousand-dollar battery replacement shortly after purchase. This single fear can trigger a vicious cycle. Plummeting resale values discourage initial adoption as new buyers factor in rapid depreciation, thereby further challenging the overall market penetration and acceptance of these innovative cars. Compounding this issue of perceived value is the very real, tangible challenge of supporting infrastructure. For the electric vehicle revolution to truly gain unstoppable momentum, the ecosystem must evolve in lockstep with the technology itself. It's entirely possible that the critical infrastructure for electric vehicles, including specialized maintenance facilities and a ubiquitous network of charging stations, will fail to expand quickly enough to keep pace with burgeoning consumer demand.